Would you like more time, more free time, more time to do the things that you want, more time where you aren't stressed, hurried, worried, or overwhelmed? If you want to put an end to stress, hurried, worried, and overwhelmed, and achieve way more while working less, then I want to invite you to my upcoming event, Total Time Transformation. Because most people's time is very scarce, this is a single one-day event, and it's free. I was in a place where I was completely overwhelmed, starting lots of projects, not getting anything done, beating myself up because I wasn't accomplishing more. And then I had a huge breakthrough and everything changed for me. My business went on to explode. We made the Inc. 5000 list of fastest growing companies in America 4 years in a row. I wrote 5 number one best-selling books, all while working part-time. I cracked the code on time, and I'm going to share that with you during the Total Time Transformation. If you'd like to join me, just click whatever link below, and I look forward to seeing you there. It's going to rock. It's right towards the beginning of the year, early January, January 14th. Get yourself registered now, totally free. My gift to you. Can't wait to see you there.